You ever notice that some people stay slim without torturing themselves in the gym, while you're out here counting calories, hating salads, and Googling, is breathing air making me gain weight? Let me hit you with this. Japan's obesity rate is 4.5%. America's is 40%. And no, it's not genetics, it's not magic, and it's definitely not they just eat less. So what's really happening here? And more importantly, how can you copy their habits without moving to Tokyo or buying a Peloton? Stick with me, because the real reason is not what you think. These habits are so simple that when you hear them, you'll think they can't possibly work, but they do. Not because Japanese people have superhuman discipline, but because their environment is designed to help them stay slim without effort. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which Japanese habits you can start using today to stay slim effortlessly, without dieting or going to the gym. 1. The invisible training habit. Japan doesn't train their body the way Western culture does. They train their taste buds. Kids grow up eating fresh meals prepared by nutritionists. Vegetables, rice, miso soup, fish. Almost no processed junk. So by adulthood, their brains naturally prefer real food. But the real secret isn't just what they eat. It's how the Japanese food environment pushes healthier choices without you even noticing. 2. The convenience trap. Japan has more convenience stores per square mile than almost anywhere else. Yet everyone stays slim. Why? Because their fast food is real food. Rice bowls, salmon, tofu, miso soup, steamed veggies. Their easiest option is already the healthiest option. But the thing that surprised researchers even more was a cultural rule that naturally reduces overeating without calorie counting. 3. The 80% rule. Japan follows a simple principle called Hara, Hachi, eat until you're 80% full. Small bowls, small plates, no oversized portions. Your eyes stop tricking your stomach. But sugar cravings are the big enemy for most people, and the Japanese kill them with one simple habit. 4. How they kill sugar cravings. Japan consumes half the sugar Americans do. Not because they avoid sugar, but because desserts are small, portions are tiny, drinks are miniature, and most sweetness comes from fruit. When you cut sugar even a little, your taste buds reset within weeks, and cravings weaken naturally. By the way, if you're finding this helpful so far, hit the like button so this video reaches more people. And subscribe if you want more content that helps you level up your life without overthinking it. All right, back to the real Japanese secrets. 5. No snacking all day. Western culture says, eat 6 small meals to boost your metabolism. But that's a myth. Japanese people eat 3 intentional meals. No boredom snacks, no emotional munching. But what really stabilizes their weight long-term isn't just what they eat, it's when they eat. 6. Meal rhythm. Japan follows a consistent daily eating rhythm. Breakfast by 9, lunch by 1, dinner by 7 to 8. This keeps hunger hormones stable and prevents late-night binge eating. Your body loves rhythm more than rules. But the real magic? Most Japanese people stay fit without ever setting foot in a gym. 7. The no-gym lifestyle. Only 3.3% of Japanese people have gym memberships, but they walk everywhere. Kids walk or bike to school, adults use trains. Cities are built around pedestrians. Elevators aren't the default. This creates natural movement, the #1 predictor of a slim body. But movement alone doesn't explain everything, because the next habit directly affects hunger and portion control. 8. Slow eating. Chopsticks plus small dishes equals slower eating. And when you slow down, your body finally gets the chance to say, "Stop, I'm full." This prevents accidental overeating with 0 willpower. But the final Japanese habit isn't about food. It's about mindset. 9. Food as an experience. Japan respects food. No scrolling on your phone, no eating in the car, no mindless snacking. When you treat food as an experience, not a distraction, you eat less and enjoy more. So here's the truth. Japanese people don't stay slim because they diet harder. They stay slim because their environment makes healthy behavior the default. And now you know the habits you can copy today. Train your taste buds. Make healthier choices more convenient. Use the 80% rule. Reset sugar cravings. Eat intentionally. Keep a steady meal rhythm. Move naturally. Slow down. Respect your meals. You don't need a gym. You don't need extreme dieting. You need smarter habits, the Japanese way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.